Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to send a survey with Mailchimp. This is a powerful way to gather feedback from your audience, whether you're collecting customer opinions, measuring satisfaction, or conducting market research. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to Mailchimp.com. Once you're there, log into your Mailchimp account using your credentials. This will take you to your dashboard, where you can access all your campaign tools. Now, look over to the left side menu and click on Audience. This will expand a set of options related to managing your contacts and engagement. From these expanded options, click on Surveys. This is where you'll create and manage all your survey campaigns. Next, click on Create New Survey. This button launches the survey creation process and opens up the configuration screen. You'll need to give your survey a name, so type a descriptive name in the survey name field. Choose something that clearly identifies the purpose of your survey for easy reference later. After naming your survey, click the Audience drop-down menu. Here, select the specific audience you want to target with this survey. This ensures your questions reach the right people who are most likely to provide valuable feedback. Once you've selected your audience, click Begin. This takes you into the survey builder where you'll craft your questions. To add your first question section, click the plus icon. This opens up the question type selector. Now you'll see several question formats to choose from. You can select radio buttons for single-choice questions, check boxes for multiple selections, range for rating scales, or open text for free-form responses. Pick the format that best suits the information you're trying to gather. After selecting your question type, type your question in the "What would you like to ask?" field. Then add your answer options if applicable. This is where you define exactly what you're asking and what responses your audience can provide. When you're satisfied with your questions, click Continue to Design. This section allows you to customize the visual appearance of your survey. You can add your branding, upload a logo, adjust colors, and personalize the messaging to match your brand identity. Once everything looks good, click Save and Close. Finally, you'll be given two options to distribute your survey. You can either select Create a new email to send it directly to your audience through an email campaign, or choose Share a URL to get a link you can post on social media, your website, or anywhere else. And that's it. You've successfully created and prepared your survey for distribution through Mailchimp. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.